Everything good in nature, they have destroyed. Look, these are what's left of woods. And they've made a road to walk on. We as humans, we look at this as a value, but look what it's taken away from. And then you've got a road, and you've got a turnpike. I don't know if you can see, but I'm sure you can hear it. They've taken away everything that is good in nature. They've tried to take away the good nature of our hearts, our love, our compassion. I say it's time to take it back, take it all back. Fuck this system and this draconic fucking rulership.